Today's reflection, March 23rd, 2011. On Friday at work, got real goofy. It was cool. I liked it. And even though I'm a very blessed individual, I made it to the end of the week. And next week, I'm going to be rich, so I won't have to work no more. It was just be confident to get up every day, like, what? Can't do that. Can't stop this. But anyways, school, slow but a progress. Working forward. Work, I solved a little issue that I had. I gotta stop pulling out my phone so much. Got a texting issue. I don't know. Well, really, I'll be listening to music, so it's not really like I just be texting on my phone. It's just like I will pull it out because I need to change the song, or I need to turn it down, or I need to start my playlist over. Just little things like that. So, but anyway, in the meantime, I will be starting my vanity show. Yes, I will have a vanity show. It's not going to be exactly what I want it to be at the beginning, but it'll do. Most definitely do. Yeah, I do like to talk a little bit. So, what is hand cameras and stuff? What God bless me with. Camcorder on my phone. Anyway, so, my son is to a good book, you know what I'm saying? Got the room all cleaned up, candles all lit, music playing, you know what I'm saying? It's just a real laid back environment, and I am about to enjoy it. So, not for the night.